Antayin lang natin siyang maluto. Hey everyone! Hello, hello! So, papakuluin lang natin siya, guys. Going to add chili. There. And there. And here. Hello guys. Pakaluin lang natin siya. So, hindi rin siya pwedeng matagal kasi baka ma-overcook. Like this one, see? It's hot. See this? Ayan na siya. Okay. Mainit. Ayun, lumalabas na siya. Can you see it? So, yeah. Just going to boil it a little more. More. Hello guys. So let's boil it. Iboboil lang natin siya. May toothpick tayo dito. We're going to try one. Very easy recipe. Hello. Tignan natin yung sabaw niya, guys. I wash it like 100 times to make sure that it's clean and the shell is clean also. Look at this one. So we're going to eat this. You're going to pull this out. Oh, see? Luto na siya agad. That's it. Konti pa. Pakuluin pa natin ang konti. Tikman natin sa sabaw. Okay. Parang maalat siya. Dagdagan natin ng tubig, guys. Maalat yata. It's like salty. I'm going to add more water. Well, anyway, it's like almost cooked. Just boil it a little longer. But as you can see, it's almost cooked. It's just boil it a little longer. Okay.